coming, parents. It means so much to your kids when you come. That is awesome. Yes. Thank you.
Very good job, audience. Thank you, audience. Nicely done. I'm thinking. Oh yeah.
There we go. That's perfect. Thank you. So this fifth grade should stay